Hi everyone, my name's Michael and I'm just doing a random truck vlog today. I'm sitting here wondering what should I do it about, and well, as you can see I have no real point to this. I'm just cruising down the road trying to keep myself occupied. I mean, I'm sitting here driving in the rain, I have nothing better to do while trying to make y'all entertained. That ought to be a trick. This is being recorded on my dash cam. It's not my usual ASCO EK 7000 camera. I figured y'all should be able to see what I see. That being said, let's jump into this. As a truck driver, I've seen stuff that most really wouldn't want to see. I've seen vehicles on fire. I've seen major accidents. Hell, I've seen trucks laid over because no one told them, or they weren't listening, that there was ice up ahead of them. And now I know the drivers up in the northern area, y'all do know about ice. It's dangerous. You slow down, you take it easy on it, you'll last a lot longer. As I was thinking, maybe I will put a little point to this. It's going to be what I see is wrong with the trucking industry. And what I see wrong with it is the fact there's no real brotherhood anymore. Now, what do I mean to that? If you were to ask any driver that's been out here 20, 30, 40 years, etc., there used to be a camaraderie. If a truck was pulled over on the side of the road, you'd see 4 or 5 trucks pull up behind them. Hey, you need help? Oh, I just, waiting for this. Oh, well, hell, we'll help you do it. Boom, done. Now, every driver is for themselves. To me, that's just wrong. You shouldn't be where in this industry that we're already hated enough. You shouldn't have to worry, okay, is the driver gonna drive real close by me when I'm pulled on the shoulder because my truck broke down? Pull over a lane. Give the truck space. That driver may be under the hood. He knows what he may know what he's doing. You see cars do it. You see trucks that, oh, you didn't get over fast enough, I'm gonna bitch at you over the CB. Maybe some of us drivers like me, I want to make sure I have a big enough gap so if that driver starts to speed up as I'm halfway over, I can finish getting over and he can just go around me. In some areas, the driver's just a complete douche. I'll say it. You get drivers that don't understand. We have CBs. We, know what's coming up ahead of us because there are drivers who follow the old rule of, hey, you got a smoky up ahead. We'll start backing down. Oh, hey, you got this. Drivers used to help one another. There used to be drivers that would have basically a party in the back of the parking lot. And that was good. Now granted, I'm a little young to remember them all. I do remember seeing where, oh, this driver's got a barbecue pit. Oh, I've got steak. Now, it used to be camaraderie. And that's what I miss. A driver camaraderie. It doesn't happen anymore. And I really wish it would. I wish drivers would take the time to, instead of going down the road on their CB, racist calling and all this other stuff, just be nice, be courteous. You don't know what that driver you're yelling at's going through. It's one of those things where we used to get along, now we don't. I don't know what's happened to this industry. I wish that it can go to, oh, a driver's pulled over on the side of the road, he needs help. Hey driver, you need help? Oh, well, I blew a tire, or I ain't got no air in my tire. Well, I got an air hose, I'll help you out. A simple kindness goes a long way. And I don't know where the hell it's gone with, oh, well, I've got to be all about me. What happened to us? That's enough about that rant. I wish drivers would really care about one another instead of me. Another thing I don't see a lot of people doing anymore is helping each other back in and turning the fucking headlights off whenever they see someone backing in. It's a common courtesy, people. Just turn the fucking headlights off and if they look like they're gonna have trouble, help them. What's 5 minutes out of your time to help somebody? It shows, first of all, you're compassionate about helping and making sure not only their vehicle isn't going to get damaged, maybe they're backing in next to you. Help them. Because if you don't, it could be someone that hits you. And then now you're out of time and all that. Do you really want that? Another thing, if you can't turn the headlights off, there's a button, and I know it's on the internationals, I don't know about Freightliner, but there's a button you can hold to make it where you're not blinding someone as they're backing in. It's not hard. Don't blind someone. If you do, first of all, you're a fucking dick. Second of all, you're not making it easy to back in. You're just prolonging.